Most people think holding in a sneeze is polite, but what you're about to see will make you never do it again. When you block a sneeze, air moving at 100 miles per hour has nowhere to escape. So it explodes back inside your head. That pressure shoots straight into your eustachian tubes and slams into your middle ear like a shockwave. Your eardrum stretches, and in some cases, it can literally burst. This can cause severe pain and even permanent hearing loss. And in rare cases, the pressure is so powerful it can tear your throat open, trapping air in your neck and chest, requiring emergency surgery to survive. So when a sneeze hits, don't hold it in. Just let it out. Your body was designed for it.